Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this viral add yours trend right here, and I will show you from where you can get this add yours Instagram sticker. First of all, I want to tell you what it means. So it means that you have to post a photo from August but from last year. First of all, we will have to go on our Instagram page, and then from here click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account on Ali and John YTT. And this is the place where you will find that sticker on my profile. From here you have to click on August, add your sticker right here at highlights, and then you have to tap until you find a desired sticker. You can check my other viral trends if you like. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So keep on watching. Now you have to go to your uploads, and then you have to go to August, but from 2021. I will go ahead and do that. So as you can see, these photos are from August, from last year. Now I will choose my photo. Place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller by using your two fingers, and share your photo with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Ali and John YTT profile on Instagram, but this time you'll have to go to super viral at highlights, which is here. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click here if you have trouble by clicking on the add yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.